Hello and welcome back to the channel. Let me ask you a question. Do you ever feel like you are stuck, waiting for the right time to start? You wait until you feel ready. You wait until you have everything planned perfectly. You wait and wait and wait. And guess what? That's the exact reason why most people stay average. They wait until they are ready. But successful people, they don't wait, they act. And they act imperfectly. The secret that separates the winners from everyone else isn't luck or talent. It's one powerful habit: execution over perfection. Here's the truth most people don't want to hear: you will never feel completely ready. No matter how many courses you take, no matter how much research you do, no matter how much you plan, you will never have it all figured out. And guess what? That's okay, because waiting for perfection will only keep you stuck. The moment you start is the moment you learn, you grow, you improve. And guess what happens when you act? Even when it's messy, you get closer to success faster than anyone who is still waiting. You don't need a flawless plan to succeed. You don't need to wait for everything to fall into place. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment. What you need is to act now. And not just act, but act imperfectly. You see, when you start before you feel ready, you will stumble, you will mess up, and that's exactly how you will get better. The process of acting and failing and adjusting is how you actually get results. But here's the kicker: most people never get to the failing part because they spend too much time planning. You think successful entrepreneurs, YouTubers, or creators launched their businesses with 100% perfect strategy? No, they started messy. They learned as they went. Steve Jobs started in a garage with no money, no resources, just an idea. Elon Musk, his first rocket launch failed. They didn't wait until the perfect plan was in place. They acted on what they had, and that's what made all the difference. Winners don't wait for the perfect time. They start where they are, with what they have, and keep improving. That's what sets them apart. The real power of execution is the feedback it gives you. When you take action, you get results, even if they are imperfect results. You will learn what works and what doesn't. You get to tweak, adjust, and improve. With every step, you become better, faster, and smarter. So when you look at someone who's successful, don't just admire their results. Admire their ability to act messily, imperfectly, but consistently. Because that's the difference between someone who just dreams and someone who makes it happen. It's time to stop waiting for everything to be perfect. It's time to start, even if you don't feel ready, even if it's messy, because action will always get you further than planning. If you have been sitting on an idea, a business, side project, or a dream, now's the time to act. Take that first step today. Stop waiting, start messy, because you will never get to your destination unless you start. Don't just like and comment. Start something now. Make it happen. Act on your dreams. And don't forget to subscribe to Little More Learning for more powerful habits and life-changing advice. I will see you in the next video. Till then, start something new and have happy learning.